So in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove sounds from videos on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So what it means is that you can remove different sounds, like for example you've recorded several people talking and you can change the volume of each person, even if it was recorded with your one built-in microphone on the phone. Also you can cut out the noise, cut out the wind, cut out the crowd in the background. So there's a lot of things that you can do, and I'll try to demonstrate that. Of course, I won't be able to demonstrate all different environments, so I'll just start recording a standard video, just normal one, and I'm gonna start talking, then I'm gonna make some noise, and we'll see how it cuts out. So now I'm speaking and I'm making some noise right now by tapping on the desk. Now I'm gonna do something else, and I'm still talking, so we'll see how it cuts out everything while I'm talking. Now I'll try maybe doing some other stuff with the microphones, and now we'll see. So okay, now let's play the video, let's see how it went. I'm making some noise right now by tapping on the desk. Now I'm gonna do. Okay, now if we want to cut it out, let's go to edit, and now we have the video, and we should select audio eraser. Now it requires us to install more editing tools, so let's do it. It is like 40 megabytes, so it should go pretty quickly. I'll just wait until it's done and I'll get back to you, because even though it should go pretty quickly, in my case it always takes a moment, so I'll get back. Okay, I think it is installed. Yeah, let's click on OK. Now it is identifying sounds. Let's see if it identifies everything correctly. Now we have speech, noise, and music. I don't have any music. It's music that you hear. It's not played on any speakers. It's added in post-production. So let's see what the music here is. Okay, it was just like a random thing. So yeah, that was that's just inadequate. But yeah, we have the speech. Let's see. So now I'm speaking, and if I go to noise, for example, and if I lower its volume, let's lower it to -100. Often if you set it to -100, it's gonna sound a little distorted, so I recommend setting it to maybe something around like -80, -70, depending on how much you want to cut it out. I'm making some noise right now by tapping on the desk. So as you can see, it's cut out. Of course, -100 makes some distortion, but if I make it like that, something else, and I'm still talking, so we'll see how it cuts out everything while I'm talking. Now I'll try maybe doing some other tap with the microphones. Yeah, so those taps on the microphone were recognized as music, so I can't really lower the volume of it, because for some reason it recognized it wrong, and it did my voice and the taps on the microphone in one section, so I can't really do anything about it. But besides that, yeah, you can increase the speech, and depending on what video you have, it'll give you different options here at the bottom to choose from, and to lower or lower the volume or make it louder. And now I'm gonna click on done, and I'm gonna save that copy, and that will be about it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.